Hello, this is a lightweight remove scroll bar plugin built by Infinity. And this is documentation. You can come here and read over, but let me just show you how to use it. Okay, so now when you see this lifting group, there is this ugly scroll bar. When you are in PC, probably you don't really care about it. But when you go into mobile mode, so you see this scroll bar. A lot of people doesn't like it. So I will try to remove this by simply downloading this remove scroll bar plugin and this no scroll bar, put it anywhere in your page. That's it. And okay. So when this is visible, then it will remove scroll bar. Let's test it out. Let's see. Now it's visible. Then no scroll bar. Voila. And if it's not visible, so how to maximize the use case is, I would say, when current page's width is below mobile landscape view, then this becomes visible. Then what happens is when you are using PC, it will show the scroll bar. When you move down below the 768, it removes the scroll bar. Very easy to use, right? Yep, that's it for this plugin. Very simple. If you have any questions about how to use Bubble, how to develop plugin, and if you would like to request us for a quotation of your Bubble project or plugin development, simply reach out. We are always open. We are Infinity. Thank you.